Today I'm going to be installing a spare tire mount for the Robalo 246 Cayman on the Coyote trailer. I purchased this from Bass Pro Shop. It's the U-bolt spare tire carrier locking bracket. It comes in the 8 3/4 and in the 12-inch. I chose the 8 3/4 inch because it has the spin-on lock brackets. The 12-inch one does not. Let's open it up real quick and install it. You can see, we'll just kind of put this on the side right now. It comes with a U-bolt and 2 locking spin-on brackets. If you try to mount it down low right here, you actually can't do it unless you get the 12-inch one, because the trailer has a kick out right here, and when you try to put it up there, it doesn't actually fit. You can see that right there. And if you try to install it right here, you also need the 12-inch one, because the 8 3/4 inch is still too small. So for today, I'm going to install mine up top. I'm really not worried about anybody stealing my spare tire. I never had any problems with it before. Just be aware, like, people can slide it off like that. Only thing that's really holding it is just the pressure here. Let's get the spare tire. You want to make sure that you have the close inside. Oh. It's kind of heavy. Actually, I'm going to cheat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it on this way first. What I'm doing now is screwing on these screw-on brackets to the U-bolt. I think it's going to be a little bit easier to install just by myself. Now I can just slide it right on. Alright, if you come over on this side, so you just tighten them up. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell that it's definitely getting tight. I don't think it's going to go anywhere once we get these all the way tightened up. Man, kind of hard to screw on. I think that's it. Right. Get your lock. Just got a Brinks lock here. I'll probably get a smaller lock here in the future, but this is just what I have right now. And it's on there good now. It really won't come up. There's a lot of pressure on there, so I don't think it's going to go anywhere. You can almost use it as a ladder. I'm going to see if I can walk on it. Yeah, I might actually use this as a good way to getting on and off the boat. Alright guys, well that's how you can install the U-bolt spare tire kit from Bass Pro Shop. Hope y'all like it. I think this costs like $16.99, and the 12-inch one is right around that price too. Y'all have a good one. Thanks.